Oh shit, tornado warning. It's gonna go on here. Tornado warning for Lansing. Yeah. Tornado warning, holy crap. Oh, here we go. There it is, guys.
National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a tornado warning for Northern County in south central Michigan, Eastern Eaton County in south central Michigan, until 2:30 p.m. Eastern
Holy
Daylight
crap.
Time.
Till 2:30?
20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Eaton Rapids, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour.
Wait, what just happened? No, play. Come on. Dude. What just happened? No, bro. Oh my god, bro. I got it, but I didn't get it. Tornado warning. Oh.
On all sides hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows,
Vehicles were... Oh my god. Bro, okay, this does not work. I'm gonna... Yeah. Yeah, okay. So